Have you ever tried making dombolo in the oven? Join me as I make this ultimate South African steamed bread the easy way. Greetings Sanibona, a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. In a mixing bowl, sift in the flour. The basic pantry staples we're using today is flour, sugar, yeast, salt, and warm water. They will be in the description box below together with the measurements. Add granulated sugar, any that you have, yeast, salt, and mix well. Gradually add warm water and stir. Today we are not kneading. That's how easy things will be. If you've never subscribed to this channel, you've been watching it, or you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. You may add oil, that's optional. I've added it here. This is the consistency we are looking for. Cover the dough and let it rise for about 90 minutes. Then stir it to release the air. Set it aside, then grease the baking pan. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip a serving spoon into the water, then scoop the dough into the baking pan. This is done for easy handling, so that the dough doesn't stick on the spoon. As you fill the baking pan, please make sure that you have boiling water to use once done. Once they are filled, you may cover them and let them rise on the tabletop for 15 to 20 minutes. Place them on a baking pan that can hold liquid, then pour your boiling water. Don't allow it to be more than half your dough baking tray. Bake it for about 30 minutes or until your skewer comes out dry. Please press the like button to help populate the video and to support the channel. Brush them with butter while still hot. That's optional. What is your favorite dish to accompany your dombolo or steamed bread? Please comment below. Allow them to cool for 10 minutes before taking them out of the pan. May serve them immediately, or you may cool them on a cooling rack. The steamed bread is light, soft, fluffy, and delicious. The best part is it is easy to make without fancy pots or a steamer. I hope you will try and make this oven steamed bread dombolo. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon on my next upload. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye bye.